She looks very young in the picture.
She is very young.
So did you see the post?
I did not mean it at like serious at all. I feel like such an idiot right now.
Do you even own any firearms?
On January 29th, 2025, in Washington, Illinois, a new student teacher was arrested and fired after posting a Snapchat joke about her students that was flagged by the FBI as a potential threat, despite her claims that it was a private vent.
That's recording, just so you know.
All right.
I got a detective coming in. That's who's sitting there.
I'm going to put you guys in a room right across from Josh's office.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to go get her. I'm going to get Kathy and her and tell them I need help carrying something.
Okay. If she has anything with her,
Yes.
I gotta have that phone right
Yeah.
away.
Yeah.
If she got a purse or anything,
Yeah.
I'll take that also.
Okay.
So,
So she won't
okay.
be any wiser.
She looks very young in the picture.
She is very young. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't believe that. Hey, John, I'm Chad. Good to see you. Yep. This way.
We're gonna go into his office, him and the superintendent. We're gonna say, hey, can you help me carry things? Bring her right to us, and then we'll get the phone.
So,
Yes, we did, and then it's coming up
In
again,
here?
starting pretty soon. Well, March, we haven't had no March. So, there'll be more of that.
Nope.
We will keep this down. Can I be in here, or would you rather I not be to begin? I just need to know what happens when it's done, because we're gonna have to deal with it.
Yeah. You want us take it first, and then? see?
Yeah, we can fill them in.
Yeah.
Okay,
I have no,
that's
we're gonna tell you everything. So.
Okay, very good, okay, thank you.
So did you see the post or?
No, I haven't seen the post. And I was looking up the actual ILCS.
Yeah, Ryan says class 4 disorderly.
That's what I was seeing.
Okay.
So who's the complainant for this?
Well, so Snapchat is the one that actually reported this to the FBI.
Okay.
So,
When was the post made?
like an hour ago.
Okay.
So, see if
That
you.
was fast.
Yeah, that's what. I don't know if they sent it to me. I do got my body on already, so I don't know if I don't have any of the information. Once we get the stuff, what I'll do is I'll probably go grab my laptop because I think it's got everything on it.
Okay.
So, if you don't mind that, let's see if they send it to my work. Here we go. No issues.
Don't take it from here.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Deputy Sean with the Sheriff's Office. Do you happen to have your phone on you?
I do, yeah.
Okay, if you want to go and hand that to me, please.
Yes.
Okay. The reason we're in contact, you anything else on you? If you wouldn't mind, just lift up you got any weapons on you?
No.
Okay. All right. The reason we're here is, have you been on Snapchat earlier today?
Yes, I was, yeah.
Okay. And like I said, well, I'll go get some stuff first while we, hold off for a second.
Okay, sure.
If you want to hold that over, because I don't got the warning or anything.
Okay. You can have a seat if you want. So, are you a student teacher?
We hope everybody had a great day. It's that time for
What school?
dismissal. Can we please get all of
ISU.
our pink
ISU.
and ATS bus riders?
So, hurry to get up here. So, like I said, I want to introduce you. That's Detective Robinson. Like I said, I'm Deputy Schellenberger. I do want to go and just read your rights to you real quick, okay?
Okay.
You didn't read them, did you?
No, not yet.
You have the right to remain silent. If you give up that right to remain silent, anything you do can say will be used against you in court. You have the right to speak to an attorney. Or your choice before questioning, have the attorney present during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you by the court prior to any questioning if you do seek so. You understand each of these rights that I've explained to you? Having in mind, you understand that you have the right and you're willing to talk to us. Okay, perfect. So, we got a call about a snap. So, did you happen to make one today?
I did, yeah.
And what did you say in the snap?
I send a lot of snaps back and forth. I don't
Okay.
know really what this is about.
Okay. How about school today? Anything about school today?
I mean, I It's a lot about school, I don't know.
So I guess the other question then, who, are you sending them on your wall or whatever it's called, or you send it to someone specifically?
I didn't post anything today, if that's what you're at, but no.
Okay. Did you send the things to people
I
today?
send like snaps to like my roommate and my
Okay.
boyfriend, that's
Okay.
it.
So your roommate or boyfriend?
But sorry.
Go ahead.
My boyfriend, it was about like plans later today.
Okay.
And then my roommate was having an anxiety attack today, so I was talking to her.
Okay.
I'm trying to think. I mean, the last thing I was texting was my roommate during our lunch break because she wasn't doing well, and then my boyfriend, like what the plans were. I'm allowed to take pictures of the kids.
Yeah.
My supervisor from ISU said take as many pictures as you can. So I take pictures of the kids. I took a picture of one kid because I always tell stories about it.
Yeah.
So I have that saved. I can delete it if you want, but I do have a picture of one of the students,
Okay.
but I keep it for like my safe keepings of the kids.
How about, did any of the kids kind of make you mad today?
No.
Nothing about your computer or anything like that?
I had a lesson plan and one of the kids turned off my computer on my lesson plan. And I was like, oh, dang. But I never get mad with the kids ever.
What did you snap after that? Did you send out?
No.
Nothing at all?
No.
Yeah, I mean.
What? I'm so confused.
So what I'm going to show you is the snap we received.
Okay.
That is you, correct?
Oh, yes. But, okay, yes.
Purple
This was a
bus
joke,
riders, it's
though,
your turn.
but yes.
Purple.
Who did you send it to?
That was just just to 3 people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who would be the 3 people?
It was like not a private story, but like a
Yeah.
private. Like there's only 3 people on there. Yeah, I'm realizing that was a bad joke. That was a bad joke.
Who were the 3 people?
My boyfriend, my roommates.
2 roommates?
Yeah, I have 2 roommates. It was as a joke, and it was only to 3 people. I'm realizing now that it was stupid. And I did not mean it serious at all. I'm not a violent person. You can ask any of the teachers. I'm very calm. But I was working on a lesson plan and she turned it off and I was like, bro, come on. But it wasn't meant to be violence in any way.
Do you have any weapons in any of the
No,
bags?
you guys can check
Don't search
anything.
them.
I have a backpack too. I don't know if she had it. Yeah, it's right there. I feel like such an idiot right now.
So phone job. Do you even own any firearms?
No,
Do you have a FOIA card or anything?
no,
Do you have access to firearms?
no.
Okay.
No one I know even has a FOIA card.
Okay. What we're gonna do is probably have you sign a consent to search your phone so we can go through it and make sure there's nothing else as far as your statement you made.
Did they write with you or did? So is your car here? Okay.
Do you want to give them your keys to maybe come? I don't know. How do you want to do that?
Yeah, you got it. I mean, you got everything done there.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna be honest with you. This is a serious offense. Okay.
I know.
How we got it was the FBI. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So I mean, you did say shoot
Yeah.
student, and so you are going to go with us. Okay. I do got to process you. You're going to have to stay the night in jail.
Oh,
Okay.
oh my god. This is crazy.
I know.
I did not mean it to get to this
I know.
far. Like, this is insane.
But how today is, I mean, if we said it, I believe you. And
I know.
It's tough. I'm gonna be honest, like I said, we were going with what we saw, and so we have to respond that way. And, okay, so if you would like, they could take your car.
Mm-hmm.
You want them to do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to step on
Hey,
your
Mom,
toes.
it's me. I'm at the school right now, and I made a stupid post on Snapchat, and it was a joke. It was fully a joke, and it was so stupid. And now, somehow, the cops came and they found me, and they're taking me to jail. They're taking me to Pekin. I wish this was a joke. I really do. I'm so scared. They're taking me to Pekin, so I need you to meet me out in Pekin. What is it? Pekin jail. Pekin County Jail. I need you to meet me there. I don't know what. It was just a joke. It was a stupid Snapchat, and now it's got it. I am so sorry. I don't know what to do. It's Pekin County Jail.
Tazewell County.
Tazewell, Pekin County Jail. They're making me spend the night. I'm so sorry. I'm such an idiot. Okay.
They're not able to do it.
They aren't.
One can't drive, she's got seizures, and the other one said they lined up a ride, so they're gonna
Okay.
have to sit here overnight, it's fine.
Okay, all right. They aren't gonna take your car, so. Just put this back on here.
Kristen Volpe was charged with disorderly conduct, Class 4 felony.